I'm going to do another video on the Magic Roundabout train kiddie ride. The dirt desert quad bike does not work because I think there's a problem with the fuse. I don't know. Track mode. The screen don't work on this, and I'm going to try it with a new £1 coin in a minute.
Go on, have a go.
I don't know if it's going to work for me. Oh wait, there we go. Yeah, but I don't want to try this ride today. I want to try the Magic Roundabout. So, new £1 coin. Does it work in this Northern Leisure ride? So, hopefully it does. Please work. Oh, you gotta be joking, guys. So, hey guys, this is another video of the Magic Roundabout train.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
I've just put a new £1 coin in. Sadly, I didn't get it on camera for you guys because I was getting real frustrated. The screen sadly don't work anymore, but I think the buttons do. Yeah. All the buttons look active. Joystick.
Well, I woke up this morning freaky.
Zebedee! Dougal! Hello? You two, what are you like?
That's it. I've had enough. I'll uncoil your spring in a second, mate.
This looks like it has the same base as my Buzzer Quad kiddie ride, as well as this kiddie ride. Sadly, the masterpiece does not work because I don't think it has like any paper in it or something. Yeah, it's something like that. So so it looks good. Yeah, and that was the Magic Roundabout train kiddie ride.
Slip the nose off, there's 150, everyone, stay with the inclining, gear selected on.
Go on, have a go.